Mas mabait niyo yung mga lalaking galante kaysa sa mga kuripot. Trust me on this one, girls. Trust me. If you wanna know all about it, here we go! If akala nyo na yung mga lalaking kuripot, bait yan, until you meet a galante man, you'll understand. Until you meet a man that is not matipid, it means yung energy na yon kaya niyang ilabas sa other ways. Now, what do I mean by that? Kaya niyang mag-create ng abundance for himself. And kaya din niyang ibigay sa'yo. Hindi ibig sabihin na yung isang lalaki, marami siyang pera. It means, he's galante. Okay, girls? Marami atang nakakaroon ng wrong mindset na yan. So, please, girls, if gusto nyo na maging tahimik and happy and fulfilled your relationship nyo, please be with a man that is galante. Please. Mas marami akong nakilalang broke dudes na ang kakapal ng face. Ang kakapal ng face. Next level magpalibre. Next level magpaserbisyo. Next level ang grabe mang utos. Kala mo ginagawa kang yaya. And just don't. Okay? Just don't put them in your standards. Okay? Mwah!